Hi everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today's video surprise is on the APC surge protector. So I thought I'd do a very different video talking about the surge protector today because it's winter and I don't want everybody out there to find out their devices or equipment gets damaged without protection. So SurgeArrest is the model we have here, and it's 1,440 joules of protection. So of course, the higher the joule number, the more the protection is how much energy the protector could absorb. All right, lifetime warranty, 7 outlet, surge protection, 6 feet power cord. And of course, if you're looking for one of these devices, this one runs about $15 to $20, I remember. And not because it's a lifetime warranty, we don't really care about the surge protector, more caring about the equipment overall. It says 50,000 equipment protection. I'm not sure really you're going to claim that. Thing I like, it has a ground OK indicator LED and also has a protection working LED. So if it's on, that means everything is good. Both of them are green. All right, you can see that over here. And also has a power switch at the same time, and nice outlet at the end over here. So some big plug, something will fit. All right, shielded 6 feet power cord. A little bit on the surge protector, and this is not talking about power strips in general because power strips don't offer any protection. So 500 is the minimum I will go for in joules for protection if you want to cheap out for something not too important. You want something better, definitely get at least more than 1,000 joules of protection. Like this one is 1440. You want something even better, you want to go maybe say 2,000 and above. Of course, the price will go a lot higher if you decide to go up in terms of protection. So this is my power cord, nice and sturdy, and it has a cap on the end. So I'm just gonna take it out right here, and you can see the ground is really solid. So this is a quality product, from APC, but there's a lot of other surge protectors you could purchase as well too. I just want to show you this one because this is the one I just purchased, and it's pretty good overall. This is how it looks like with the switch and the LEDs. Okay, a little bit in the back. Yes, this one's made in Vietnam. And protection's working. It has a LED. Ground is okay. Also has a LED as well too. Also, it has the model number over here. Not sure you can really see that. Put a link in the description. Interested in checking it out more. I think it's PE76. But I'll put it in the description. So yeah, so you're looking for a surge protector, especially in the winter days, or you have fluctuation of power. I have a small TV here. I don't really care about this TV. It's old, but it's good to have some surge protection. Maybe a phone, maybe have an air purifier like I do, or maybe you're gonna plug a cell phone or mobile phone at the end over here, which I do at times. You want to get one of these devices, right? So make sure you're showing both of them are green. The ground is working, the surge protection is enabled, then it's good. So if you see that they're not, maybe something wrong with the circuit or something wrong with the the surge protector. So that's something to note. So of course you plug it into the wall and make sure it's all the way plugged in, and that's simple as that. Hopefully you like this video, and I really appreciate a thumbs up, a comment, or share. Please leave it below. And by the way, hope it helps you out and protects your devices. And I see you next time. Have a good one. Bye.